Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. Today we are going to learn class 9th foundation subject mathematics. This is our chapter number 1 part 13, and in this part we'll start with the question based on fourth root of surds. Till now we have learned about just square root of surds. Now we'll learn the fourth root of surds. So let's see how to do it. First of all, our question is that find the fourth root of 28 minus 16 root 3. We have to find the fourth root of this. So first of all, we are going to find the square root of this, and then the value which will come, will again find the square root of that. Means 2 times we'll find the square root and then we'll get the final answer. So first we'll find the square root of this number. As the negative sign is there in between, so our formula will be root a minus root b. Like this. Now we'll square both sides, squaring both sides. I'm writing this in short because the space is less, so you have to solve in detail. We'll do it square according to the identity. Now this root and this square will get cancelled, so we'll get 28 minus 16 root 3 equal to a plus b minus 2 root ab. Now this a plus b is rational and 28 is also rational. So a plus b is equal to 28. And minus 2 root ab is irrational and minus 16 root 3 is also irrational. So we will take it in equal to. So 2 ones are 2, 8s are minus will get cancelled. We'll again square the both sides because these both sides are in root. So AB would be equal to 8 into 8 into 3. 64 into 3, that would be 192. Now this both we got the values. Now we'll substitute. Here we'll take B is equal to 28 minus A. So A in bracket 28 minus A is equal to 192. 28A minus A square is equal to 192. We'll take the all terms at a side equal to 0. And this should be always positive, so we'll transpose it to the RHS. So 0 would be equal to 192 plus A square minus 28A is equal to 0. Like this we'll write. This should be in middle. This type of single one variable should be in between. So 192 minus 28 A plus A square is equal to 0. Now we'll do middle term splitting. You have to tell this in detail, not like this. You have to write middle term splitting. multiplication of two numbers, that should come 192, and addition of two numbers, that should come minus 28. So we'll find those numbers are minus 16 and minus 12. So 192 minus 16a minus 12a plus a square is equal to 0. We'll solve first square's value in this space. So now we'll take common out of this. So we'll take 16 as common. So we'll get 12 minus a. Now we will take minus a as common. Minus a as common, so we'll get 12 minus a again. We'll take 12 minus a in common and then 16 minus a in common. From here we'll get the value of a as 12 and this a will be 16. So we got the both a's. This was in subtraction, so this could be root 12 minus root 16 or root 16 minus root 12. This 16 could be 4. We will take 16 as 4. So this can be root 12 minus 4 or 4 minus root 12. We have to choose any one. So root, we cannot take this because then the rational number will get negative. Positive number is never negative. This positive number is never negative, so that's why we'll take this one. So 4 minus root 12 would be the answer of first root. Now we'll do again its root. So that would be 4 minus root 12's whole root is equal to root a minus root b. We'll do squaring both sides, so we'll get 4 minus root 12 is equal to a plus b minus 2 root ab. 4 would be equal to a plus b. B would be equal to 4 minus a from this, and minus root 12 would be equal to minus 2 root ab. Minus minus will get cancelled. We'll do squaring both sides. So we'll get ab as 3. You can solve, we'll get ab as 3. This is basic concepts. So now we'll substitute. So a in bracket 4 minus a should be equal to 3. 4a minus a square should be equal to 3. We'll transpose. So 0 is equal to a square minus 4a plus 3. A square minus 4a plus 3. This should be in middle as it is equal to 0. Now we will do middle term splitting. So multiplication should be 3 of two numbers and their addition should be minus 4. So the numbers could be a square minus 3a minus 1a plus 3 is equal to 0. We'll take common numbers. We'll get a in bracket a minus 3 minus 1 in bracket a minus 3 is equal to 0. So we'll take a minus 3 in one bracket and a minus 1 in one bracket equal to 0. From here we'll get a is equal to 3 and a is equal to 1. So two conditions could be there, root 3 minus root 1. Root 1 we can write as 1 because root 1 is only 1 because it's its own square. And also it can be 1 minus root 3. So we have seen that rational number is not negative, is never negative. So we'll take this and cancel this one. So 1 minus root 3 is the answer. So the fourth root of third in that this number's fourth root is 1 minus root 3. We'll write fourth root of 28 minus 16 root 3 would be 1 minus root 3. Like this, I hope you have understood this question of finding the fourth root. Now we will see a bit tricky questions which is too much easy but new for us. So let's start. This is our question, that find the value of root 12 plus root 12 plus root 12 plus so on infinity. So this might be looking like a tricky question, but it is easy. Like, we'll make this remain same. This will be remain same. And this would be assumed as y. Assume the number after first 12 plus as y, because if there is 1 plus 1 in root or anything like 1 plus 1 plus 1 till infinity, we can't add it till infinity, so we can assume it like y or any variable because we'll never get its final value. So we'll assume it like y. Then we'll write it. This whole y represents number after the first number till infinity. So we'll write 12 plus y. And y is root 12 plus root 12 plus root 12 till infinity. That is the value of y. Now, the value of this will also equal to be y, because we don't know its value because it's infinity. So this is also equal to y. That should be the same variable because y is only one thing till infinity and the same number. So that's why. Now we'll do squaring both sides. We'll square both sides. Squaring both sides. And we will get y, 12 plus y is equal to y square. We'll transpose this y square minus y minus 12 would be equal to 0. Now one thing we'll do that is most common, middle term splitting. Over here the multiplication could be minus 12 and addition should be minus 1. So y square minus 4y plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. We'll take the common. Y in bracket y minus 4 minus 3 in bracket y minus 4 is equal to 0. We'll take y minus 4 common and then y minus 3 as common equal to 0. From here we'll get value of y as 4 and value of y as 3. Like this we get two value. This would be plus. This would be plus and this is as it is. So we'll get value of y. Second y's value would be minus 3. So this number could not possible because it's negative. It's negative. So that's when this is positive. So every time we should take positive number. Therefore y would be equal to 4. And this is our answer. So y is equal to 4. So root 12 plus root 12 plus root 12 till infinity is equal to 4. This is the value. I hope you've understood till this topic of the main concept of these two questions. First of all, of the fourth root, and like this question till infinity, same numbers which are in root form. I hope you've understood this part 13 of the chapter surds. Now the last part of the chapter surds would be part 14, the another part after this video. So that would be available on our channel, and the previous parts are also available on our channel. Please go and check through it on our channel. Like this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. Let's meet in next part. Thank you for watching.